Yes, hello student. Today we are going to start with another important concept of the cyber security, that is authentication service and security. That is cryptographically generated address, that is CGA. Here the IPv4 which are available, that addresses up to the 64 address bit that are generated by hashing owner's public key address. Okay, so this is the concept of the public key and private key concept. So here the private key means what, that the your credential or detail which cannot be accessed by the third party. Okay, so where the private key which is available, that person is able to access that data. But exactly opposite to the public key here, the details can be accessed at anywhere, any location by any person. But the condition is that private key which is to public key, that available or approaches with that person. Now let's consider the example of a zombie or botnet attack. So botnet attack is another kind of attack, or zombie attack is that okay, just take the example. I'm going on an online through the mobile devices. I'm searching any uh, goods on Flipkart, but there is a particular pop-up window which is to be appear, and I'm just clicking on that, and I'm not aware that what kind of uh, what we can say, that errors or worms or different attacks which is to be associated with that file and which is to be installed on my PC or my phone. Okay, so what we can say that here, okay, I'm clicking on that file, and that was worm or virus. Whenever that particular file is installed on your PC at that time, uh, which is to be installed in a particular system or particular storage device. But whenever you are going to an online at that time, that same replica which is to be generated, and at the same time, what we can say, that your system or machine detail which is to be in hand of the third person. Now next one is attacks on mobile phone or cell phones, that is mobile phone theft. And next one is mobile virus. Mobile theft means what, there are different places which are available. There may be might a chances that your mobile phone might stolen by the third party. But here the responsibility of you people, that whenever your data which is to be data not data, your mobile which is to be stolen by the third party, at that time your responsibility to store your database also. Mobile viruses, there are different mobile viruses which are available, that are same the computer viruses which is to be applicable for the mobile viruses also. Phishing, that is mobile phishing. With the help of mobile or smart devices, the hackers or what we can say, that the cyber criminals are going to use or going to interact with the people and foolish the people to get their financial rewards. Phishing, Wishing is the criminal practice of using the social engineering by the voice over internet protocol. With the help of that, he's used or interact with you people, and he say that your ATM card, your credit card is blocked, and just simply you have to give the credential, and at the same time he will use for the misuse that things for the financial rewards. Wishing. The most profitable use of information gained through a phishing attack include ID theft, purchasing luxury goods and services, transferring money or funds, monitoring the victim bank accounts, making application for loans and credit cards. So these are the things, or things with the help of that phishing attacks available. Next one is smishing. We will discuss this thing next lecture.